Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Back out here. Regular meetup with DRG downtown near the Pearl, but this time it's at a different spot. It's called the Pub House. They got great burgers and obviously beer. I'm gonna take you for a quick walk around, and then let me get it flipped around before everybody else gets started out here. Okay? Stand by. All right. So this is the 6 o'clock start. Got here just in time, right after work. See if I can get us in there. All right. I don't know where the turnaround is, but I'll figure it out. I'll catch him up there. Ah. Hey.
Yeah, we just started.
Friends as usual? Yeah, we got started.
Yeah.
I'm waiting to safely cross the street.
I don't know if I'm
So-
ready. Oh, is that something to buy the shirts?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I gotta go get my
Shirts and hats.
You don't have a shower or no?
No, I just been standing here messing around.
See if I can get one.
I'm worried about the route. I don't know the route. I'll figure it
It's
out.
probably just down that way towards
The zoo.
Yeah.
Yeah, and turn around. Oh wow, this is a big line to get shirts and hats.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Like, is there gonna get up left?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a walk around. Everybody's lined up. How you doing? All right. How you doing, brother? First time in here. Check it out on the inside. Fair use on the music. Got some good drinks and good beers on tap. How you doing, brother?
No. They didn't come up to me and say hello or anything. They just from a distance saw that I was in.
Check that out. My favorite old buildings still being used. And of course, I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. Go over here, main center, and get a 360. Imagine it'd be pretty awesome hanging out here for the game. A little bit later, the Spurs are in town for one of the playoff games. So that's gonna be interesting. Oh. Fair use on the music. Betty White. Oh snap! I think it's all the Golden Girls. Oh yeah, Blanche. That's pretty neat, right? And of course the grandma. It's pretty good. Pretty funny too. How you doing? Check out some of the brews again. We're using the song. This is a badass song though.
And we do have some brandy with no guys. Sides that you want to try it out on your right. We've got your available size. Leave your shoes, put those on, go out on the road. Hope you like it.
They're out here.
So we are having a shoe demo with the balance. So come inside to grab a pair. And please have y'all's IDs as well.
Hey!
I'm getting us an early table. On the street.
Hey!
Get that thing out of my face.
How you doing?
Quite an impressive group down there, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
I love it.
Funny part is I'm looking at this young lady get carded here. And I ain't been carded in Jesus, quite a time. But then again, I don't go out no more to go drink. How you doing, guys? There goes Bo. One of the run group founders. The other one was his wife. They both founded Downtown Run Group. How you doing, Mr. Bo?
How are you, sir?
Good.
You getting some good pictures?
Video.
Videos.
Yes, sir.
It's a big crowd left to sit, didn't it?
That was a good little conversation I just had. Private conversation though. Sorry guys, couldn't let you guys in on that one. How you doing, brother? Good. How you doing, man? What's going on? How you doing, brother? Man. Oh! And we trying out shoes. Guess I go try out some shoes. Got Ziegenbach, Coors, Shiner, Miller, St. Arnold. Southern Bunny's coffee. There she go. One of the gangster runners out here. That's the man right there, Santino. Hey, what's up, brother? Just trying to get some good videos. Look at that. Pretty cool metal work.
Bring them back, John.
Let's get out of here.
Bring those shoes back.
on your account.
Oh.
Is that okay? Because I.
Hey, how you doing, brother? You need a restroom? It's right there in the middle, brother. You're welcome. Oh, I guess I got here before they started IDing people, so I guess when I come back, I should probably have my ID in my hand. Alright. Alright, guys. That'll be it for this one. I'm gonna get sweaty in this heat. It's almost 90 degrees out here, but at least the humidity is a lot better. And I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I'll try and take more of them and get them out a little bit better, and show you guys some more stuff around town and some peoples and all kinds of other stuff. Before I forget, you guys should make sure you too, let me get back in the correct light. You guys should make sure that you get outdoors and get some outdoor therapy and love yourselves, love your family members, and love your pets, and love everybody around you, okay? All right, well, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Later.